Dear delegates, at Presidium, we endeavour to form initiatives that promote the unfolding potential of the youth through a process of constant self-exploration and self-evaluation with a vision to realize. It is aided by inculcating a sense of community service, strong social values, and high level of participation in governance. It gives us immense pleasure to invite you all to be an integral part of an inspiring and thought-provoking event, PMUN 2018, with the theme of Presidium for Youth Empowerment. Mahatma Gandhi says, your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values, and your values become your destiny. At Presidium, we stand for enabling the voice of students, and we believe that a small group of thoughtful, committed individuals can bring effective changes. Individuals like you all, each one of you, represent the most dynamic and vibrant segment of our population. And through the platform of PMUN 2018, all of you are in the unique position to steer the masses towards adjusting to new ideas and increase vigilance to address the challenges of our changing world. This is the time for bold measures. This world demands the qualities of youth, a state of mind, a temper of will, a quality of imagination, and a predominance of courage over timidity. The team of PMUN 2018 believe in the power of young people. We invite you to be the trustees who wish not to preserve the past, but also nurture a hope in creating a future to manifest the glory that is within each one of you. Each one of you. We hope to see you in August 2018. God bless you.